I never thought I would be learning how to grow a business online, especially not in my 60s. What is the free blueprint? I come from an offline world. Real conversations, Rolodexes, referrals, not hashtags, reels, or digital funnels. But everything changed when I discovered the legacy training programs. They did not just hand me a bunch of tech tools. They gave me step-by-step mentorship. They helped me build confidence and clarity. And it all started with one simple thing, the free digital blueprint. It showed me how to turn what I already know into impact, income, and a presence online. If you are 55 or older and feel like the online world has passed you by, you are exactly who this was made for. You do not need experience. You just need a guide. Ready to take your first step online? Tap the link in my bio to download the free digital blueprint and see what is possible when you finally have the right support.